Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Miyu. I am a coach who specializes in women's emotional wellness. This channel is all about helping you fall in love with yourself and your life so you can wake up in the morning excited and energized, notice the beautiful things that your life offers, and attract what you desire and go to sleep at night happy and peaceful. This is a new series where I give myself 5 days challenge to try different self-help techniques for mental health and emotional well-being. And at the end, I score them on a scale of 1 to 10 and share my overall experience. So with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the technique that I challenge myself to try today is morning pages journaling. So what are morning pages? Morning pages are the 3 pages of longhand stream of consciousness writing. And ideally, you should do it first thing in the morning. So you grab a pen and you just write about anything and everything that crosses your mind. And because of that, it helps you clear your mind and lead you to more constructive and creative thinking. It silences your inner critic and makes you less anxious, and it also helps you discover the creativity that's been hidden inside you and become a better idea generator. So let's watch how I did my 5 days challenge. So the morning pages are recommended to do the first thing in the morning when you wake up, but I have 4 animals to feed in the morning and they won't let me have a quiet time until their tummy is full. So I usually do my morning routine like feeding the animals, washing my face, walking my dog, and having breakfast before doing the morning pages. But one thing I make sure not to do before the morning pages is to open my computer or check my phone. Once I start checking my emails, my mind starts going different directions and it's hard for me to zone in without being distracted by other thoughts. So that's one thing I don't do before the morning pages. So I just finished. It took me about 20 minutes. It's been about 3 months since my last morning pages, but it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. I wrote a lot about my business, what's been going on with my body lately, and my personal stuff. But the biggest thing that I experienced is that I realized that everything falls into place at the end where it should be. It could be about my business or about my body, so that I don't need to force myself to do something or make it happen. Sometimes all I need is to sit back and let things happen by themselves. So overall, it was a great experience. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. So I paused a couple times during the morning page today and I didn't know what to write. So when it happened, I just wrote, what else can I write? Or what else can I talk about today? Until something came to my mind and I started writing again. So the key is to just write whatever comes to your mind, even something like, I don't know what to write today, or I don't feel like doing this today, or it's sunny outside, or questions like, what else can I talk about today? Things like that. So keep writing and be okay with jumping from one subject to another, especially in the beginning. And let your mind loose and let a pen do its job without thinking too much. Okay, so I just finished my morning pages. It took me about 30 minutes. So, big takeaway from today's morning pages is that I got a huge aha moment about my body. It gave me a chance to really think about what I need to do. It's kind of personal, but my body is going through a lot of transition right now, and I need to almost create a new relationship with it. So in order to do that, I really need to start healing and taking care of my body. So it was great that the morning pages made me realize that. So I guess that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. So I just finished the morning pages. It took me about 30 minutes. So big takeaway today is that I realized I just need to go with the flow and stop trying to make it happen. And it's okay to do different things that make me happy. I tend to stick with one thing and pressure myself to make it happen. So what I realized today almost gave me permission to be more relaxed and do more things that I desire. So overall, it was great. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I just finished the morning pages and it took me about 30 minutes. Takeaway from the morning pages today is that number one, I realized that my priority changes. What matters the most to me in life changes, and it's okay. And number two, it gave me a chance to acknowledge my gift and what I'm here to do. And number three, I got some new ideas for my business. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I just finished the morning pages and it took me about 35 minutes. So a takeaway from the morning pages today is that I realized that I recommend my clients to do certain things during our private sessions, but I don't necessarily do them myself. um, I know I should do it, but I often don't. So I should be more mindful. And it gave me a chance to think about how I want to be 5 years from now and how I want to live my life until die. I want to be wise, peaceful, grounded, open minded, and open to new things. That's how I want to live my life. So that's it. Bye. So I finished my challenge a couple of days ago and I want to give the morning pages journaling a score of 10 out of 10. As I mentioned earlier, this wasn't my first time doing morning pages, so I knew how much it could help me, but this time it really confirmed how amazing it is. It helped me realize a lot of things I didn't know or I kind of knew but had forgot about. I got many messages that I could never come up with myself. They're really encouraging and inspiring. One of them that really resonated with me is what I've been going through is a part of a journey for me to become who I need to be in order to become who I'm meant to be. It may not make sense to you, but I know exactly what it means, and it gives me a confirmation that I'm exactly where I need to be, even though it doesn't feel that way sometimes. So overall, it was a great experience and I highly recommend you try it, especially if you're looking for a tool to clear your mind, process your emotions, and inspire and motivate yourself. So that's it. If there is a self-help technique you want me to try, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!